How to clean outdoor patio furniture cushions. In this article I will go over how to clean outdoor patio furniture cushions. Outdoor patio furniture cushions provide comfort and style to your outdoor living spaces. Over time, staying in contact with the elements can leave them looking less than pristine. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore various techniques and methods to how to clean outdoor patio furniture cushions effectively. How to clean outdoor patio furniture cushions with vinegar. Cleaning outdoor patio furniture cushions with vinegar is an eco-friendly and efficient method. Follow these detailed steps. Gather your supplies. To get started, you'll need white vinegar, water, a spray bottle, a soft brush, and a bucket. Mix the solution in a bucket. Combine equal parts white vinegar and water. This mixture is gentle yet effective. Spray and soak. Use the spray bottle to generously apply the vinegar solution to the cushions. Ensure you cover stained or soiled areas thoroughly. Let the solution sit for about 15 minutes to penetrate the stains. Scrub gently. After the soaking time, use a gentle brush to gently scrub the cushions in a circular motion. Be careful not to damage the fabric. Rinse and dry. Rinse the cushions with clean water until the vinegar scent is gone. Allow them to air dry in the sunlight to prevent mildew growth. How to clean outdoor patio furniture cushions with baking soda. Baking soda is another versatile cleaning agent. Here's how to use it for cleaning outdoor patio furniture cushions. Gather your supplies. You'll need baking soda, water, a bowl, a soft brush, and a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment. Create a paste. In a bowl, mix baking soda and water to form a paste with a toothpaste-like consistency. Apply the paste. Use a brush to apply the baking soda paste to the stained areas on the cushions. Ensure you cover the stains evenly. Scrub and wait. Gently scrub the paste into the fabric, then let it sit for 30 minutes. This allows the baking soda to break down the stains. Vacuum. After the waiting period, use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to remove the dried paste and loosen dirt. Rinse and dry. Rinse the cushions with clean water and allow them to air dry. How to clean outdoor patio furniture cushions stains. Stains on outdoor patio furniture cushions can be unsightly. Let's address different types of stains and how to clean them effectively. Food and beverage stains. Food and beverage stains are common on outdoor cushions. To start, blot the stain as much as you can using a clean cloth. Then, use one of the cleaning methods mentioned earlier for thorough cleaning. Grease stains. Grease stains can be particularly challenging. Begin by sprinkling cornstarch or talcum powder on the affected area to absorb the grease. After a few hours, brush away the powder and treat any remaining stains with vinegar, baking soda, or dish soap methods. How to clean patio cushions with mildew. Mildew can thrive in damp conditions. Here's how to safely and effectively remove mildew from your patio cushions. Safety first. Wear gloves and a mask to protect yourself from inhaling mildew spores. Brush off loose mildew. Use a gentle brush to clean any loose mildew from the cushion's surface. Do this outdoors to prevent spores from spreading indoors. Vinegar solution. Follow the vinegar cleaning method mentioned earlier. The acidity of vinegar helps kill mildew. Sunlight and fresh air. After cleaning, let the cushions dry in direct sunlight. The sun's UV rays are natural mildew killers. Additional tips for cleaning and maintenance. To keep your cushions in excellent condition, consider these additional tips. Regular cleaning. Make a proper routine for cleaning your outdoor cushions regardless of whether they seem dirty. This proactive approach prevents the development of residue, dust, and different contaminants, expanding the life expectancy of your cushions. Utilize gentle cleaners. Stick to gentle cleaning arrangements like vinegar, baking soda or dish soap. Unforgiving synthetics can harm the fabric and padding, possibly decreasing the cushion's comfort and durability after some time. Spot testing. Before applying any cleaning arrangement, play out a spot test on a little unnoticeable region of the cushion. This safety measure guarantees that the cleaning arrangement won't cause staining or harm the texture. A little step can save your cushions from possible damage. Thorough drying. After cleaning, guarantee the cushions are dry before putting them away or utilizing them once more. Dampness caught inside the cushions can lead to mold and mildew growth, which harms the cushions as well as posture well-being concerns. Invest in covers. Consider utilizing cushion covers intended for outdoor use or storing your cushions indoors during the off-season. Covers safeguard them from components, including UV beams and rain, significantly extending their lifespan. Rotate and fluff. To prevent uneven wear and maintain the cushion's shape and comfort, periodically rotate and fluff them. This simple maintenance task ensures that no single area of the cushion is subjected to excessive pressure or sun exposure. Proper storage. When your outdoor cushions are not being used, store them in a clean and dry, well-ventilated area. Avoid putting heavy things above them. as this can result deformation. Proper storage preserves the cushion's shape and quality during the off-season. Summary. All in all, dealing with your cushions keeps up with their appearance as well as guarantees your outdoor space stays a comfortable and welcoming retreat all year. We've explored different cleaning methods, from the eco-friendly vinegar and baking soda ways to deal with specific stains and mildew. Keep in mind that reliable cleaning and proper maintenance go quite far in saving the life and comfort of your cushions. Normal cleaning schedules, the utilization of gentle cleaners, and spot testing can prevent damage. Completely drying cushions, investing in covers, and practicing proper storage during the off-season is pivotal for their lifespan. By following these techniques and incorporating these helpful tips, your cushions will keep on giving both style and comfort, improving your outdoor living experience into the indefinite future. Thus, go on, partake in your outdoor oasis, and let your well-maintained cushions be a testament to your commitment to a beautiful and inviting outdoor space.